Unlock the top 5 product best backup camera experience. Safety on the road is not merely crucial, it's an absolute necessity. Elevating your safety to unparalleled levels requires the best backup camera. In today's session, it's not just about showcasing products. We're here to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of why these cameras are a transformative addition to your daily commute. So, fasten your seatbelts, and let's delve into the reasons why these cameras are a game-changer for your everyday journey. Let the exploration for a safer and more informed driving experience commence. Number 1. AUTO-VOX CAM7 Pro, Seamless Reversing Marvel. The AUTO-VOX CAM7 Pro transcends ordinary backup cameras, presenting an array of sophisticated features that redefine your driving experience. Its robust and weather-resistant design ensures unwavering performance in all environmental conditions. Setting it apart is the cutting-edge dynamic trajectory correction feature, providing unparalleled precision during reverse maneuvers. As you navigate the roads, this device transforms into more than just a camera. It becomes your steadfast driving companion, offering a seamless and secure journey every time you hit the road. Trust in the CAM7 Pro for an elevated driving experience that goes beyond the ordinary, ensuring optimal performance and safety in every situation. Number 2. AUTO-VOX CS2 Wireless Backup Camera, Wireless Safety Upgrade. Embark on a revolutionary journey of convenience with the AUTO-VOX CS2 Wireless Backup Camera. This innovative device heralds a new age by liberating you from the entanglement of cords. Seamlessly navigate through your reversing process with the advanced digital wireless monitor, bidding adieu to the hassles of twisted wires. Embrace a realm of simplicity and efficiency as you welcome the freedom bestowed by wireless connectivity. Every instance of reversing becomes a smooth and efficient experience, turning your driving routine into a seamless affair. The AUTO-VOX CS2 is not just a camera, it's a beacon of modernity, where cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design converge to redefine your driving convenience. Say goodbye to the past constraints and embrace the wireless future with the AUTO-VOX CS2. Number 3. eRapta ERT1 HD Backup Camera Rear, Crystal Clear Vigilance. Discover the perfect fusion of clarity and reliability with the eRapta ERT1 HD Backup Camera Rear. This exceptional device transcends ordinary visuals, offering a heightened visual experience through high-definition clarity. Immerse yourself in a crystal clear view of your surroundings, ensuring unparalleled visibility during your journeys. Crafted with automotive-grade construction, this camera is not just a visual marvel, it's a testament to durability on the road, capable of withstanding the rigors of various driving conditions. The standout feature, a perfect 149 view, further enhances its credentials, making the eRapta ERT1 the top choice for those who prioritize clear, reliable, and comprehensive visuals in their driving experience. Elevate your perception of safety with the eRapta ER-Tone, where clarity and durability converge for an unmatched visual journey on the road. Number 4. HD Backup Camera with Gold Rim, Golden 360 Safety. Step into a realm of unparalleled versatility with the Green Yi HD Backup, front-side view camera, stealing the limelight with its distinctive gold rim. This camera is not merely a visual aid, it's a design marvel meticulously crafted to provide a panoramic perspective. Whether you seek a frontal, lateral, or rear view, rest assured, Green Yi's camera has your every angle covered. Elevate your safety standards by expanding your field of vision, immersing yourself in a world of clarity and security offered by this versatile and chic backup camera. With Green Yi, it's not just about seeing, it's about seeing comprehensively, stylishly, and with absolute confidence on the road. Safety meets sophistication with the Green Yi HD Backup, front-side view camera. Number 5. Car Backup Camera Metal Hidden Bracket, Discrete License Plate Security. Tailored for those who prioritize discrete safety, the car backup camera with metal hidden bracket emerges as the ideal choice. Concealed yet supremely functional, This camera introduces enhanced security through its covert bracket and license plate mount. Delve into the clandestine world of discreet safety as you uncover the unique features that distinguish this hidden bracket camera. It's not just about concealment, it's about a seamlessly integrated solution for those who value both subtlety and functionality. Choose confidence in your security with the hidden prowess of the car backup camera, where discreet safety meets unwavering reliability. Choosing your digital weapon. Our commitment extends to providing you with a profound understanding of each product, transcending mere surface details. Through a meticulous and comprehensive exploration, we strive to arm you with the knowledge necessary for an empowered and informed decision. Your individual needs and preferences are the compass guiding our in-depth examination, ensuring that you not only choose a product but discover the one that perfectly aligns with your specific requirements. Your confidence in the decision-making process is our ultimate goal, and we're dedicated to delivering information that empowers you throughout this journey.